Good afternoon students, how are you all? This is grade 5, your English grammar book, and today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, which is on page number 53, verbs. So verb means we have understood that verbs mean an action or any work, okay? So we had learned about two kinds of verbs till now, action verb and linking verb. In the next page we had learned about linking verb in details. Okay, so now students, three topics are left, three kinds of verbs are left: helping verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. So open page number 54 where we are going to start from helping verb. Okay, so verbs that are used with an action verb and help it to form sentences. Okay, verbs that are used with an action verb and help it to form tenses. Okay, tenses. So verbs which are used with an action verb means कोई काम जिसमें हो रहा हो, ठीक है, and help it to form tenses. Tenses को form करने में, बनाने में it helps. Okay, ask question and show the necessity, probability, possibilities, etc. are called helping verb. Helping verb are those which shows the time in the sentence. Time means like we are talking about present, past or future. So you can see here helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. Okay, the type of helping verbs are as follows: forms to be form of be, okay, form of have, form of do. Okay, model verbs like this. So form of be is am, are, was, were, will, shall, like this. Has, have, had, only these three are there. यहाँ पर has, have, had only three होते हैं, इसमें will, shall भी होते हैं. Okay, and do means do, did, does. Do, did, does. Will, do भी हो सकता है इसमें. Okay, and modal verbs are will, could, should, can, may, might. Okay, etc. For example, examples you can go through by your own, आप खुद से पढ़ सकते हैं. Next we are going to learn about transitive verbs. So helping verbs are basically those जो actual में हमें पता नहीं होता कि ये verbs हैं, but they are also verbs. Okay, so they are called helping verbs which help the action to do something. Okay, ये action से पहले आता है. Okay, it comes before the action. Like I was studying, so studying is an action, but before studying there is a helping verb. ठीक है. Next is transitive verb. Read these sentences: the driver stopped, the boy caught. These sentences are incomplete as they require some object to complete their meaning. So without any action, like without any complete sense, without any complete meaning. So the highlighted verbs in these sentences are called transitive verbs. Okay, so they are ending with these kind of verbs. So transitive verbs usually need to be followed by an object. Okay, they need to be followed by an object, usually a noun or a pronoun, to make sentences are called transitive verbs. Okay, so the transitive verbs, these sentences are incomplete as they require some object to complete their meaning. Okay, they need some object. So transitive verb usually need to be followed by an object to make complete sense. They need an object. When there is an object after the verb, so that is transitive verb. Like stop the car, caught the ball. The ball is an object, the car is an object, and stop and caught are transitive verbs. Next is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs: Maya slapped loudly, the birds flew away, he laughed again. So the highlighted verbs in the above sentences do not require an object to make complete sense. These verbs are called intransitive verbs. So the sentences which are not completed by an object to make their sense complete, so these are called intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb is an action verb that does not require an object to make complete sense. These are without any object. As you can see, slept soundly. Soundly is not an object. Okay, so this is how we can understand about transitive and intransitive verb. Now let's see the workouts, the exercises. Underline the verbs in these sentences and write whether they are action verbs. For action verb you have to write down AV, or for the linking verb you have to write down LV. So Shivani appears tired. Appear means look. She is not doing anything, she appears. So how is Shivani? Shivani is tired. So this is linking verb. Okay, Raj threw, which is an actually action. Threw, so that's why an action verb. The soap tastes salty. It tastes salty but it does not do any action. Okay, ये taste कर रहा है salty but action तो नहीं है ना, ये हमें पता चल रहा है इसकी condition. This is a condition. So how it tastes. This is linking verb. Okay, this is a linking verb. The carpenter has repaired the chair. Repaired is actually an action, which is an action verb. We went for a walk. Went means going. This is also an action verb. The children jumped is also an action verb. The stuffed teddy bear felt soft and fuzzy. It felt. Okay, it is not actually an action. So ये action नहीं है. It felt. So how does it felt? It felt soft and fuzzy. So that's why it's linking verb. Arohi was nominated as the moderator by the class teacher. So nominated is an action. So that's why it's action verb. B1 is underline the verb in these sentences and write whether they are transitive verb or intransitive verb. Okay, don't speak loudly. Speak loudly. So speak loudly means it is intransitive verb because it does not have any object. The stars twinkle at night. Twinkle is a verb and at night is an object. So that's why it's transitive verb. Okay, we lifted the heavy bag together. Lifted is an action and heavy bag is an object. Okay, that's why it's transitive. Priya wrote the long letter. Wrote and letter, it's an object. So this is why it's transitive. The coach blew his whistle. Blew is an action and whistle is an object. It's transitive. The boat sailed smoothly. The boat sailed is an action but smoothly is not any object. Okay? So without an object we find it's intransitive. The horse kicked the bucket. Horse kicked is an action and bucket is an object. So that's why it's transitive. The children sat quickly. Sit is an action and quietly it's not any object. Okay, so that's why it's intransitive. So this is how you can complete your work, students. So do this exercises again and again by your own. Okay, खुद से करने की कोशिश कीजिए इसकी because these are very important to understand. Okay, and to do by your own. So complete your work, students, in your book and notebook both, and have a nice day.